material and equipment and safety, this safe lab and procedure. In this procedure, for measuring, student should measure equipment and object here, and he have to record his measurement in this table. This table, table 1 and table 2, table 3, table 4. Then here in this measurement we will use metric stick ruler. This metric stick ruler we will use it. This side A of metric stick ruler, this side we name it side A. This side A, and it is in meter. You see it is 1 meter. And we have here this side B. It is in decimeter. It is contain 10 unit, and the version it is 1 decimeter. Version it is 1 decimeter. Here we have side C. Side C. This side is side C, and version in this side it is in centimeter, and the version it is 0.5 millimeter. Version is 0.5, then 0.5 it is coming 1. Version is it is 0.5 millimeter, and last one it is side D. Side D. Side D, and the version is 1 centimeter. This side C, side B, side A, and this side C, and this in centimeter. Version is 1 centimeter. We will use this one. If you see in this table number 1, they say you have to measure irregular shape, and we will measure irregular shape. Here irregular shape we will use this equipment. This equipment we will use to measure it only. It is Explorer JLX. Explorer JLX. Then they want to measure length of this Explorer JLX. The length by side A. Then we will see inside A. We will measure it inside A, and you have to record your result. Then you measure it inside B, and record the result, and measure it inside C, and record your result, and inside D, and you record your result. That means when you measure inside A, your result, it will be in meter. My result here is 0.25 in meter, okay? And in C, your result will be in decimeter. 1 meter is equal 10 decimeter, and in A, B, in C, your result will be in centimeter. There is no problem. And in D, your result will be in centimeter. Then when you finish from this, we go to, here they are asking for scale metric stick division. As I said, division here, it is 1 meter. Division here, it is decimeter, 1 decimeter, and division here in this one, it is 0.5 and division here it is equal 1 centimeter. We go to table 2, table 3. Table 3, we will go to measure these books. We'll take the longest inside A, and widest inside C, and higher inside C, and we record it here. All this data I will record it, and it will come to you, okay, in this sheet. Then after you finish this and record your data, then you will come to table number 7. Table number 4. Table number 3, table number 4. In table number 4, you have to measure the water in cylinder 1, cylinder 2, and beaker. To measure this one, you have to use the cylinder and beaker. Already it is graduated cylinder and beaker. Just you have to put one paper here to see. To measure, you have to put the paper. Then you get your reading. This reading, you can take it here and you see also here. You can put the paper and reading will be clear. Here paper and reading will be clear for you. Just one thing. In this cylinder and this one and there in beaker, you see the water, it is make some curve, and it is important to know from where you have to take your reading. Here there is some curve because water molecules attract toward the wall of the glass. Water molecules attracted toward the wall of the glass here and so and here, and they also form it meniscus shape. Here you have to take your reading from the bottom of meniscus shape. You have to save your reading from the bottom of the meniscus shape and record it. So I record this reading in table 4, and when you record this reading in table 5, then you collect all the data and you can go to data analysis, and for last go to calculation. Data analysis and calculation, it will come in student response sheet, and you have to analyze this data, and just after that make your calculation, and you have to submit your report before next lab. So you will get all this sheet according with data. Sheet 1, student inquiry, and sheet 2, student response. In sheet 2, student response, you have to write your name and section number, and you have to submit sheet 2, student response sheet, and you have to submit it before next lab, and it will be in model. Go to model, you'll get the experiment there, experiment sheet, and also I will put it there. Just you have to print out, and you have to make your analysis, and you have to make your calculation, and some question is there, you have to answer it, and you have to submit the sheet back to me before next lab. Thank you.